D for dinta. Dinta is hunter. Say after me, dinta. Say after me, dinta. D for DK. DK means a strong man. Say after me, DK. Say after me, DK. E for Enyi. Enyi means friend. Say after me, Enyi. Say after me, Enyi. E for Ezinụlọ. Ezinụlọ is family. Say after me, Ezinụlọ. Say after me, Ezinụlọ. F for Feaka. Feaka is to wave hand. Say after me, Feaka. Say after me, Feaka. F for Feje. Feje means fly to. Say after me, Feje. Say after me, Feje. If you're interested in joining one of our Igbo classes, you can click on our website in the description box. You can book classes via our website. Our website remains www.learnigbo-byconversation.com.